Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone Reno 11 with natural aesthetic design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 93% screen to body ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 950 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus color quality support, and Asahi Glass AGCDT Star 2 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Sony LYT600 OIS main wide-angle camera, along with the 32 megapixel Sony IMX709 telephoto camera and 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel Sony IMX709 wide-angle front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with Mali G68 MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB of dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.4 by 74.3 by 7.99 or 8.04 mm, and it weighs around 182 grams, and the color options rock gray, wave green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with SuperVOOC 67-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, NFC, and IR blaster for remote control. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO Reno 11 has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 29,999 Indian rupees, 99,999 Pakistani rupees, $361, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 31,999 Indian rupees, 107,999 Pakistani rupees, $385. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this OPPO Reno 11 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.